everyone. I'm Leroy Oscar Tanner, Programming and Technology Services Librarian here at the New Ulm Public Library. And today I'm going to introduce you to our awesome memory lab that we have. This is what's called our Digitization Station here in the memory lab. And it's where you can take old media, cassette tapes, Betamax, phonographs, VHS, and convert them into a digital file format for easy transfer, sharing online, storage, disk burning, all sorts of great things. If you'd like to schedule an appointment with the Memory Lab, we have appointments available Monday through Friday starting at 10 a.m. and last appointment available until 4 p.m. And your appointments can be up to 3 hours in length, but your first appointment is always a 1-hour training session with me where I show you the ropes. Over here is our actual nice retro equipment that we have going on. Everything is routed through what's called a power conditioner here on the bottom. And so before anything else, you'll turn on this power button here and then start to use the equipment. Here's our cassette player, CRT monitor for registering what's on a VHS if you don't have a VCR at home and aren't sure how to play it. The VCR, we have a camcorder player here, a disc burner, as well as a floppy disk connector as well if you have old 3.5-inch floppies. We can't do the 5 1/4. Those are a bit beyond our scope. But we also have other equipment available in our storage that I can bring up and connect as well. So all of these are routed over here to the computer. And the VHS and the visual stuff specifically is routed through this piece of hardware here, which allows us to take the analog signal of the VHS and convert it into a digital signal that we can use. So now I'll show you really quickly just the software we have available that goes with that. This is the desktop for the Memory Lab computer. When you come to log on, you'll pick guest user, and then the password is Memory Lab with a capital M, capital L, no space. If you forget or you can't figure it out, it shows you what the password is after a couple tries. So the first thing that you want to do for VHS is you'll use the software that goes with this hardware called Blackmagic Media Express. And this allows you to, if I click over to this one here, capture in real time what you have recorded on the VHS. So as it plays in the VCR, you can capture the audio and the video through this software, and it turns it into a digital file. Now, it's very important to remember that, as I said, it happens in real time. So if you bring in a 2-hour VHS, just that capture, not counting anything else you do, will take 2 hours to get down. So you always want to make sure that you schedule appropriately depending on what it is you'd like to get done. A lot of patrons so far have found it very helpful to take notes and prioritize what it is that they'd like to do. So after you utilize this software here, the next thing that you can utilize is our formatting and compression software, which is called Handbrake. And with this software here, you can take that raw capture file, which is usually pretty large in size, and it compresses it into a more readable format, shrinks the file size down quite a bit because it gets rid of empty space from the raw capture. And you can also do filtering with this software to clean up the video imagery and things like that. After you use that, you can transfer it to a flash drive or an external hard drive that you plug into the computer. If you have some sort of cloud storage like Google Drive or iCloud, you could upload it to the cloud through the internet here. You can also use this software called MetaZ to attach metadata to your files, which is effectively like an information stamp on the file that helps computers and DVD players and smart TVs to read the file information correctly and know what the file's about. For our audio, we also have this great software called Audacity. I'll load up here. And so this is where if you're doing audio transfer, you can do audio cassettes, Betamax, things like that. Even if you have just sound from a video and you don't care about the video, but you do want the sound, you can actually separate that out, and then you can clean it up or record it here through Audacity as well. And that's a quick tour of just some of the capabilities here at the Digitization Lab. If you'd like to make an appointment, you can call us here at the library, or you can go onto our website, click on Digital Resources, and then click on the memory tree, and it'll take you to the registration form. We hope to see you in the library soon.